In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to learn how to copy and paste effects between clips, which means transferring the same effect settings from one clip to another quickly and efficiently. This is extremely useful when you've applied blur, color correction, motion changes, or audio effects to one clip and want the exact same adjustments on other clips. Let's begin. First, select the clip that already has the effects applied. Now press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard to copy that clip. Next, select the clip where you want to apply those same effects. Right-click on that clip and choose Paste Attributes. A window will appear showing different attributes that can be pasted. You'll see options like motion opacity, time remapping video effects, audio effects. Select the ones you want to copy and click OK immediately. The selected effects and settings will be applied to the new clip. This method copies only the effects and adjustments, not the actual video content. It's one of the fastest ways to keep your edits consistent across your entire project. And that's it. You now know how to copy and paste effects between clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.